difícil en la escuela secundaria para todos ustedes. Y solo quiero felicitarlos por soportar las dificultades durante estos años. Y es un placer estar aquí con ustedes hoy para celebrar sus éxitos y logros. Sin embargo, del hecho de las cosas que no han podido salir como las planeadas, lograste seguir adelante y darle todo. Y por esa misma razón, estás aquí hoy recibiendo estos certificados que demuestran tus logros. Este ha sido un viaje largo y difícil. Sin embargo, ahora estás comenzando un nuevo capítulo en tu vida, donde seguirás forjando tu propio futuro y triunfando a pesar de los desafíos. Estoy muy orgullosa de todos y estoy segura que tu familia está también. Entonces, la mejor de las suertes en tu nuevo viaje y felicidades por tu merecido éxito.
Thank you, Jocelyn. Okay.
So now we will go ahead and introduce the Virtual Academy 5 Valedictorian and Salutatorian. Class of 2022 8th grade valedictorian is Javen Rosario. Congratulations. First top GPA in 5 semesters. Congratulations.
Hello, everyone. Each year, teachers typically have a pool of students who demonstrate their commitment to academic excellence and their allegiance to schoolwork. I was very grateful this year for having quite a few students who fell into this category, and I commend them all for their amazing efforts. However, today I'd like to offer a special recognition to one of those students, Javen Birch Rosario. Not only was he completely attentive in class and focused with doing his academic best, but he often contributed to class discussions with his prior knowledge of material, and he often asked inquisitive questions during class time. This in mind, I must confess I wasn't very surprised when Ms. Carrillo informed me that Jaden had been selected as valedictorian for his 8th grade class. In my 16 years with LA Unified, this is nearly the second time I've had a student honored like this, and it only happens due to the motivation, drive, and ambition of the student, who realizes that their education will be key in the success they have in life. I do want to congratulate all of my students for both their hard work and ability to compromise during this challenging year online. However, I especially want to congratulate Javen for this honorable recognition for which he truly deserves. My very best to you, Javen, in the years ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Martinez. Este maestro, Mr. Martinez, es el maestro de Javen. Él quiere felicitar a Javen, pero también quiere felicitar a todos los estudiantes por su esfuerzo estos años. Mr. Martinez dice que en los 16 años que ha estado en el distrito, solo le ha tocado felicitar a 2 estudiantes y Javen es el segundo. Él está orgulloso de Javen porque siempre está atento en clases y hace muchas preguntas y no estaba sorprendido cuando yo, Ms. Carrillo, que el estudiante Javen había calificado para honores altos en primer lugar. Y ahora vamos a presentar con Miss Marie. Miss Saw va a continuar a presentar al siguiente estudiante.
And now I'd like to welcome and congratulate class of 22 8th grade salutatorian, Christopher Quezada, second top GPA in 5 semesters. Congratulations, Christopher.
El estudiante Christopher es el segundo en lugar de promedio de la Escuela Academia Virtual. Tener un mensaje de su maestra, Ms. Melendez. And so now we're going to have a message that's presented to Christopher by Ms. Melendez.
Christopher, I want to congratulate you for being one of the top students at our campus, Virtual Academies. It wasn't an easy journey, but I want to tell you that you did a wonderful job. Knowing the hard struggles and the tough choices you had to make, you were one person that I was able to say that you were very determined. And that is the word that I want to say to you. A determined individual that looks forward to accomplishing and completing tasks that are laid out in front of him. Thank you once again for being an outstanding individual.
Ms. Melendez le quiere desear a Christopher reconocimiento por todas sus metas que él ganó y por un trabajo que ha hecho. Su palabra para Christopher es determinación, porque él ha hecho mucha determinación este semestre en sus colegiaturas. And now I'd like to present to you Ms. Bolaños, who will be reading the names for High Honor Roll. Ahora quiero presentarles a Ms. Bolaños, la consejera líder, que va a presentar a los estudiantes con honores altos.
Good evening. It is my pleasure to announce the following High Honor Roll recipients. These recipients have had a cumulative GPA of 3.5 and above beginning in the 6th grade up until the first semester of 8th grade. Buenas tardes. Es mi placer presentar a los estudiantes que reciben el premio High Honor Roll. Estos estudiantes han tenido un promedio de 3.5 y más desde el 6 grado, 7 y el primer semestre del 8 grado. They are Sophie Cullen Connor, Aaliyah Dawson, Kevin Dawson, Roman Flores, Hillary Jacobo, Tamia Lowe, Jane Lee, Stephen Montañez, Giselle Ortiz, Cristian Osuna, Pelosi Peña, Julio Rivera, Jocelyn Rodríguez, Joel Romero, Berenice Rosas, Owen Sun, and Miranda Vasquez. Congratulations. Felicidades. Next, I'd like to introduce the recipients for Honor Roll. These recipients have had a cumulative GPA of 3.0 to 3.4, beginning in the 6th grade up until the first semester of 8th grade. Ahora les presento los estudiantes que reciben el premio de Honor Roll. Estos estudiantes han tenido un promedio de 3.0 a 3.4 desde el grado 6, 7 y el primer semestre del 8 grado. They are Ariana Baez, Marilyn Castro, Yesenia Conde, Aaliyah Cruz, Rocio Garcia Palacios, Tiffany Gomez, Marilyn Jasso, Aiden Martinez, Kevin Orfino, Tishay Osauda, Axel Quintanilla, Emily Ramos, Valerie Salguero, Javante Smith, Elias Spangola, Terry Thompson, Hasty Nunez Torres, Nathan Valadez, Silvia Valencia. Congratulations. Felicidades. The next recipient earns the reclassification award. Ahora les presento al estudiante que ha recibido el premio de reclasificación. Congratulations to Kimberly Rosales. And now I'd like to introduce the next recipient for the Biliteracy Award in Mandarin. El siguiente estudiante recibe el premio bilingüe en mandarín. Congratulations, Owen Sun. And now I'd like to hand it over to Ms. Carrillo to introduce the next recipient.
Hello, everyone. So today I'll be presenting the Teacher Awards. These students here is for Helping Hand Award. And what Helping Hand is those students who demonstrated to be tech savvy and provided support to their peers. Hoy voy a estar presentando los certificados de los maestros de premios que los maestros nominaron a estudiantes. Este premio de mano amiga es de los alumnos que demostraron tener sabiduría con la tecnología y brindaron apoyo a sus colegas. So these students are Kevin Dawson, Dominic McMillan, Riley Park, Christopher Quesada, Emily Ramirez, Anthony Rios, Tiani Rollison, Mark Ruiz, and Maximus Young. Congratulations, felicidades. The next category will be Caring Classroom. La siguiente categoría es Cuidadosos del Salón. So this category is recognizing students who were respectful of others and maintained a positive environment. Esta categoría se reconoce a los alumnos que fueron respetuosos y mantuvieron un ambiente positivo. Tiffany Gomez, Brandon Jr., Jane Lee, Maya Martinez, Josie Pate, Kadeja Patterson, Axel Quintanilla, Julio Rivera, Angelica Soto, and Owen Sun. The next category is Above and Beyond Award. This award is for those students who did the expected and more. They demonstrated superior dedication. Esta categoría es de hacer lo expectativo y más. Estos estudiantes cumplieron con las expectativas y también demostraron dedicación superior. Those students are Ariana Baez, Ania Cohen Crumble, Jessie Forbes, Rocio Garcia Palacios, Ava Gutierrez, Aiden Martinez, Kevin Orofino, Pelosi Peña, Javen Rosario, Savian Salavaria, and Owen Sun. The next category is Rising Star Award. And this award is for students who are involved significantly through the semester and they did a huge improvement. Esta categoría es para alumnos que mejoraron durante todo el semestre. David Aguilar, Denzel Burtz, Brandon Cervantes, Cullen Connor, Gabriela Hernandez, Marlene Hasso, Zakarian Nicholsberger, Jocelyn Rodriguez, Berenice Rosas, Owen Sun, and Alasia Thompson. Congratulations. So I just want to say thank you for everyone for being here. This will conclude our culmination, in our award ceremony shortly. And I just want to say that students, you should be very proud of yourselves. Thank you for your brilliant minds and your caring hearts that will better our future. Parents, guardians, thank you for your dedication in sharpening these wonderful diamonds. These awards were possible because of you. Alumnos, les quiero agradecer por estar aquí. Deberían estar muy orgullosos de ustedes mismos. Gracias por sus mentes brillantes, sus corazones cariñosos que mejoran nuestro futuro. Gracias, padres y tutores, por su dedicación en afilar estos diamantes maravillosos. Estos premios fueron posibles por ustedes.
Again, I want to thank everybody for being here. Congratulations again to our award recipients. Work well done. Families, I also want to thank you for your dedication to helping your students. We know that behind every successful student is a family member who spends countless hours encouraging, motivating, and providing them with all the resources they need. You taught them that no matter how difficult things may seem, it's important to push through it and to ask for help as needed. So families, I applaud you as well for these awards. You should be proud. I hope that everybody has a great evening, and we will see everybody on June 10th at 11 a.m. for our culmination.
Gracias a todos por estar aquí. Nos vemos pronto. La ceremonia de la culminación será en YouTube el viernes 10 de junio a las 11 de la mañana. The link is not ready because the video has not been uploaded, but it will be uploaded and will be sent out next week. El link para ver el video no está en YouTube, pero se mandará por correo electrónico la próxima semana. Also, the certificates for tonight's award will be sent in the mail in the next couple of weeks. Los certificados de los premios de esta noche serán mandados por correo en las próximas semanas. Thank you for being here. Gracias de nuevo. Y esto termina nuestra ceremonia. This ends our. Thank you, everyone.